Hello, my name is Houdini Engine. I'm the founder of Technoverse. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get Houdini Engine to Unreal. Okay, first thing we do, let's go to the side effects website. Let's go to download. Make sure we have a production build for 8.5.99. And it still works for the current build of Unreal Engine 4.26. Right now, we're just downloading it. And while we're downloading, we'll go into our folder. Go to your project file, and then we're just going to go click right click and go show in the folder. So let's go to our program files. Then we're going to Epic's game. Depends on wherever you put your Epic's game or your Unreal Engine files to it. But also where you download your Houdini versions too. The lines are in my program file, so all I need to do is just go in Houdini, then go into the version I have, and then go into the engine part folder that I want to get 4.26 volume 2. I'm going in the program files, and I'm going to go to Epic's game, and I'm going to go into the 4.26. Let's go into engine, and then we'll go into plugins. And let's copy and paste. And copy and paste the file. So we're gonna copy and paste our version over into the engine folder. And copy and paste. Okay. Paste this over. Here we go. Alright, now let's go into our project files. You just make any type of project, just start a new project. It doesn't matter. As long as you get a project up, so you can go inside. Okay, when our project is up, let's go check to see if we have our plugins. They're going to just pop up, but most times you want to just go into your settings and then go to plugins. But they also just have a thing that says manage plugins. So we want to make sure our plugins are for Houdini is enabled. Just type in Houdini and then just enable it. Okay, and let's look at it a little bit. So now you can see that Houdini is up on our tab. Now let's get a a Houdini digital asset. We have to go into the Get tab, and then we're gonna get the Unreal Starter Kit. So Side Effects has a lot of just amazing things on that content. Just install. But let's get the Unreal Starter Kit. And we're gonna download that. And here is the starter kit file. Inside, if you go into the Houdini digital asset, you have all these different already created assets that have parameters that you can use in just an Unreal. Okay, I want the terrain tool. I'm gonna drag it into an Unreal folder. Unreal project. Nope, we have to extract the file first. Now let's extract the file. Extract all. Now we'll go back into our starter kit. Okay, let's get our terrain tool file. And then we just drag it into Houdini. And we just bring it in there. You should see in the details panel, there will be Houdini Engine sessions. That's what comes up with most Houdini digital assets. You have to rebuild, recook, bake. So it takes some time for it to load in your scene. Now that's loading up. If you don't know what a Houdini digital asset is, there's also some great tutorials on the Side Effects website. You just have to go into the tutorial section and then type in HDA. There's some tutorials that help you kind of get started on learning how to turn your whatever you're making Houdini into a Houdini asset that you can export to Unreal. Yeah, this one. Here's another good one that can help you. Check it out. There's a lot of great tutorials on Side FX that can help you get started. So here is our terrain now. It's definitely with the terrain that they have, it definitely allows you to make different type pretty fast. That's why I just love Houdini. It's just so many different parameters, so many ways. It just makes it easier for you to even just get into making your game. But this is the forest ground, mountain, desert, change the resolution for the grid. Yeah. Change the material to whatever you need. Let's just create a new material real quick so we can just see something different from the just standard grade checkers. Okay. Okay. Now that this is our terrain. You can also change, if we go to the C parameter, it'll randomly change the height of everything. So you can kind of get just random variations of terrains. You can adjust the terrain size. So with this terrain tool, it definitely lets you generate a whole bunch of different terrain for your scene and your segments. Okay, let's hit play so we can see our character is on the terrain. I got lots of space to run through. Alright. Let's change this back to the forest ground. Let's go into the settings, scale up the noise, change the environment a little bit. Distorted. Yeah, a lot of good tools there, or parameters that can allow you to change up your level. I think change out the height scale right there. And oh, now this side, the terrain looks more mountain rocky a bit. And then after you're done, all you just need to do is just bake it. And even if you don't have the terrain tool in there anymore, you have your landscape in your Unreal. The terrain will stay there once you bake it. And that's pretty much it there. So this helps anybody who sees it. Thank you. Thank you for your time and hope you have a wonderful day.